Hi, this is Michelle with Pink and Maine. I'm here to do an unboxing of our November 2019 Crafty Courtyard box. The theme is fantastic florals, and as you can see by our postcard that's included, there's some beautiful watercolor floral images in this kit. You can see the colors that are included. It tells a little bit about the kit and what's inside. You're going to get 5 sheets of colored cardstock along with your 2 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. We're also giving you 2 half sheets of our sparkle sheets in the Park and Salon, and these are just gorgeous and they make some really pretty floral cards. As always, you get your handy 8.5 by 11 mesh project bag. And let's just dump out all the goodies here. Okay. So first off, we have this 6x6 paper pad called Fantastic Florals, and it is a beautiful paper pad with those watercolor floral patterns along with some graphic designs like gingham and stripes and polka dots. There's even some hearts in there. These make some really pretty cards. You can use the papers just by themselves without even stamping. You're going to get your 4 ice rink white envelopes. We're including a stencil this time, and this stencil makes a really pretty lattice pattern. Here's the exclusive 6x6 stamp set in the box, and it includes like a simple layering flower pattern. So you have the pretty flower and leaves outline here, and then separately you can stamp the leaves that go on the sides and the flower in the middle. It says thinking of you and sending my love, or and smiling. We also have a little leaf branch there with the inner leaves that you can stamp right inside there. You're going to get 3 yards each of black and white variegated twine. Oh, this time you're going to get a ton of beautiful black and white iridescent rhinestones. These are so shiny and sparkly, and they'll look beautiful on your cards and projects. We're also including an exclusive sequin mix with all the colors of the kit. You're going to get some really pretty wood veneer this time. The shapes are butterflies and flowers. You're going to get a package of paper flowers. You're also going to get a package of tags. We've got some white tags with like a coral peach pattern at the bottom, some white tags with the black chevron pattern at the bottom, and then a few of these little white tags with a pattern edge and little grommets already on them. So fun to create with. You're also going to get your 1-inch collectible flare badge or button, and it's got the gorgeous flowers and the gingham pattern on it. I wanted to quickly go through some cards that I've made with this box, and I have a video also where I walk you through how I made these. So here's one with that pretty floral stamp and some of the wood veneer pieces. Here's one where I've highlighted the pattern paper. That's like the highlight of my card. I didn't even do much stamping, just a little sending my love, added some of those beautiful rhinestones and twine, and you just have a really pretty but simple card. Here's a card where I randomly stamped some of the inner parts of the flowers and leaves, and I embossed the thinking of you, and then I used some of those sparkle sheets to just add lots of shimmer and shine. I've stamped the leaf piece on here and used some of the pattern paper in the background, again with that thinking of you. Just a really pretty card. And then on this card, I've used one of the tags that's included, along with those paper flowers with some rhinestone centers. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of our November Crafty Courtyard box themed fantastic florals. You'll want to head over and get yours before they're gone. And until next time, keep living the creative life.